Question 22 is 5 marks. The question asks to solve the simultaneous equations, and they say show clear algebraic working. So you can pause the video and try it yourself if you want. Now, to solve this, let's look at the second equation here. Y equals x plus 2. What we will do is we will substitute each value of y here with this value. So instead of y, we are just going to write x plus 2. So your equation x squared plus 3y plus y squared equals 7 will be x squared plus 3 times y. Y is x plus 2. So instead of y, I just wrote x plus 2 plus y squared, which is x plus 2 squared equals 7. This is very good. Now what we'll do is we'll try to expand, combine like terms and make it look nice. So x squared stays plus multiply the 3 inside, 3 times x and 3 times 2. 3 times x is 3x, 3 times 2 is 6 plus. Now how do we expand this here? X plus 2 squared. You can expand it by just saying the first one is squared, which is x squared, plus 2 times the first times the second, which is going to be 2 times x times 2, which is 4x, plus the second is square. 2 squared is 4, equals 7. If you didn't understand what I did now on expanding this, you can just do this. X plus 2 squared is equal to x plus 2 times x plus 2, isn't it? So this is x plus 2 squared. And then x times x is x squared. X times 2 is 2x. 2 times x is 2x. And 2 times 2 is 4. And if you do add this, x squared, 2x plus 2x is 4x. And plus 4. So we got the same thing. So it's up to you. You can expand by FOIL, or you can just know it's the first one is squared plus the 2 times the first times the second plus the second is square. Now let's combine like terms. X squared looks like x squared, so it's 2x squared. 3x looks like 4x, so it's 7x. Plus 6 and 4 is 10, equals 7, right? Then what I will do, I'll make it equal 0 because I want to solve quadratic equation. So I'll do minus 7 on both sides. This 7 is cancelled, so there is nothing left on the right side. It's just 0. And 10 minus 7 is 3. So this is just plus 3. Now let's solve this quadratic equation. 2x squared plus 7x plus 3 equals 0. There are many different ways to solve this. I do want to solve it by completing the square. Let's complete the square. Or let's solve by the quadratic formula. X equal minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Let's use the quadratic formula. Now what's a? A is what comes in front of the x squared, so it's 2. B is 7 and c is 3. Now plug these values here. X equals minus 7 plus or minus root b is 7, so it's 7 squared minus 4, this is brackets, not 17, minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is 3, divide by 2 times a, which is 2 times 2. Now plug this in your calculator. First use plus and then use minus, and you'll get two values of x. Let me just do it quickly. Now Just a second. Now the first value of x I got is x equals negative a half, and then the second value of x equals negative 3. That's very good. Once you get the values of x, you need to find y. How do you find y? Let's go back here. Do you remember this equation here? Y equal x plus 2. So we'll just substitute here. Let's write it down. Y equals x plus 2. So when x equals negative a half, y equals negative a half plus 2. It's going to give you 1.5. And when x equals negative 3, y is going to equal to negative 3 plus 2, and that gives you negative 1. Now you got two values of x, which are x equal negative a half, x equal negative 3. You got two values of y, which is negative 1 and 1.5. And that's your 5 marks for this question. Let's look at the next question. How was it? Was this easy? I don't know what's that. Oh, that's vectors. Nice question.